Whoa, looks like there were exciting times to be had at Las Vegas. This is because this was the site of CES 2025. All those who were there will tell you that it was a hit because they got to witness the massive advancement that is being experienced in the world of AI and tech. The advancements are so impressive that each and every one of the people who made it there would tell you that they were sure that they had just witnessed how everything is going to change forever. We're talking about everything from gaming, personal devices, cars, robotics, you name it. Join us as we take a look at some of the most amazing innovations that were showcased at CES 2025. GeForce RTX 50 series GPU. During CES 2025, Nvidia was one of the companies that left all the attendees in awe. Their CEO of Nvidia, Jensen Huang, was on hand to let us know that he was on his way from his company. While he was on stage to give his keynote speech, he left us all in so much awe that it felt like we just got a peek into the future. Just take a look at one of their amazing products, the GeForce RTX 50 series GPU. Just take a look at this beauty. Built on the Blackwell architecture, everyone is certain that this is one of the pieces of technology that is set to change the world forever. Just take a look at the specs. Based on this alone, this is truly a piece of art. The flagship RTX 5090, for example, has 92 billion transistors. This is amazing because this means that this thing can actually handle 3,352 trillion AI operations per second. Pretty sweet, huh? As you can imagine, this stumps any of the current GPUs that we see today. What's perhaps even more amazing is the pricing of these RTX series GPUs. For example, the RTX 5070 comes in at $549, but that seems to be a bargain because it comes with a level of performance that has no rival. Don't take our word for it. Everyone knows that this bad boy even surpasses the RTX 4090, a GPU that was considered to be one of the most formidable GPUs out there. As such, everyone seems to be very excited about having such a powerful GPU at such an affordable price. DLSS 4 multi-frame generation. As if that isn't crazy enough, just take a look at the DLSS 4 deep learning supersampling. This is believed to take AI superpowered rendering to another level, because it would be able to generate 3 additional frames for everyone from the GPU renders. This allows this state-of-the-art piece of technology to create smoother gameplay while enhancing every detail you see on the screen. As if this isn't amazing enough, it also gives a significant reduction to the strain on the system. As such, we can all see how streamers are gleefully waiting to get their hands on this amazing piece of equipment. That said, it isn't only the gamers that benefit from this amazing piece of equipment. Considering how it goes way beyond the world of gaming, we can see how certain industries ranging from architecture to filmmaking, truly amazing stuff, and we're sure that you guys cannot wait to get your hands on this thing. Cosmos. It looks as though Nvidia came to show everyone that they have been hard at work at the CES 2025 conference because they also revealed their Cosmos platform. Look at this thing. It is one of the most amazing platforms that were designed to simulate the real-world training that would help all these AI systems be as great as they can be. This is truly a piece of work that could help us create an entire virtual environment so that robots and autonomous vehicles can perfect their systems by learning how to navigate their way through difficult situations. It would also help them do so before they are released onto users in the real world. With such a system in place, we can see how developers will be able to save a ton of time and money in procedures. As such, instead of having to send a robot into a cluttered factory and hoping it doesn't destroy some of the most expensive equipment in such a place as it trains, developers can now run thousands of virtual scenarios in minutes so that they could train these robots. Truly an amazing piece of equipment, and we cannot wait to see how it would change the world forever, especially for these developers and their AI systems and robots. Nvidia's Drive AGX Orin supercomputer and Drive OS operating system. Looking to spread their wings somewhat, Nvidia also decided to collaborate with Toyota in a bid to get their piece of the autonomous vehicle cake. Apparently, any new Toyota that streams out of the Toyota manufacturing line will be powered by Nvidia's Drive AGX Orin supercomputer and Drive OS operating system. As amazing as this system is set to be, this is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to Toyota's ambitions with their self-driving vehicles. Apparently, they are hoping to build an entire higher smart city that is set to change the way we live forever. Referred to as the Woven City, this futuristic place is set to be located at the foot of Mount Fuji, the tallest and perhaps the most popular mountain in all of Japan. Set to launch at some point in 2025, this place is set to be something of a living lab for AI, robotics, and of course, autonomous vehicles. There is even every chance that the creation of Woven City could lead to the release of flying cars, a manifestation of the partnership between Toyota and Joby Aviation. We are in the future, aren't we? Autonomous Agentic AI. Looks like Nvidia was also busy working on Agentic AI. This is because during the CES 2025 conference, they showed us their AI systems that had the ability to reason, make plans, and act on their own. They are great because they just don't give answers to questions. They are actually able to solve their problems in real time. Thankfully, it seems as though Nvidia's AI blueprints make them perfect for companies hoping to use them to create custom AI agents for tasks such as customer service, optimizing supply chains, or even fraud detection. With any luck, we may have actually got to make use of these decision-making and adaptable AI systems soon. PCs at CES 2025. Looks like Nvidia wasn't the only one working last year. During CES 2025, companies such as Intel, AMD, and Qualcomm were on hand to show us what they were doing with their work on processors. As such, they were on hand to show off some of their state-of-the-art neural processing units that were capable of handling AI workload directly on the device. This is great because this means that we will get faster responses and more secure processing because the data doesn't need to be sent to the cloud. As if this wasn't impressive enough, you may be delighted to find that the guys at Microsoft gave their Copilot Plus PCs a boost by giving them AI-powered features that make the user's interactions feel easy and conversational, far from the command-giving feel we may experience with AI today. Not wanting to be overshadowed, the guys at Dell showed us what they were up to by revealing their AI PCs. These systems can be considered to be just as amazing as what Microsoft came up with because they use Edge AI to process data locally. This is great because this allows the PCs to be more efficient and responsive at the same time. Finally, we take a look at the amazing AI-powered device that was released by Roborock, the Chinese consumer goods company known for its robotic sweeping and mopping devices. Considering their reputation, we may have not been too surprised to find that they were showing their vacuum cleaner off during CES 2025. What may be so amazing about this vacuum cleaner is that it comes with a robotic arm that can pick up objects such as socks and shoes before it actually starts cleaning. This is amazing really because it is able to understand its surroundings because of the AI system that helps it navigate its way through its environment. Fantastic piece of equipment, and with any luck, this could just be the vacuum cleaner that could make your home the cleanest in the neighborhood. Such were the innovative displays that we saw at CES 2025.